Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Making Home with Megan. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a super simple hearty chili. This recipe is delicious and it comes together in no time. To get started, you're going to need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 can of kidney beans, you can use dark or whatever your preference is, 1 onion, 1 red bell pepper, 1 can of tomato paste, 1 can of crushed tomatoes, and a packet of your favorite chili seasoning. I'm going to be using mild. The first thing you're going to want to do is chop up your produce. Try to cut your onions and your pepper to about the same size pieces so that they cook around the same time. I've added a little bit of olive oil to a large pot, and I've added my produce and my ground beef. I'm going to cook this until the produce is cooked and the ground beef is cooked all the way through, and then once it's finished, I'm going to drain off the grease. Alright, my ground beef and produce are cooked, and I've drained off the grease. Now I'm going to add the remaining ingredients to the pot. Add in your kidney beans, your crushed tomatoes, your chili seasoning, and your tomato paste. Once this is all in the pot, you're going to give it a really good stir until it's well combined. Once well combined, you're going to let it simmer away on your stove for about an hour to let all these flavors come together. Okay, here's my chili. It's been simmering away for an hour and my house smells amazing. It's ready to serve. Here's my bowl of chili. I've decided to top mine off with some shredded cheese, but you could even add sour cream if you wanted to. This chili would be delicious if with a side of cornbread or even tortilla chips or corn chips, however you like to eat your chili. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I do hope you try out the recipe. Take care.